Hey there, welcome to Trusted Web e-Services. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to find the bounce rate in Google Analytics 4. Let's get started. First things first, open Google Analytics 4 and click on the Reports tab right below the Home tab. Next, you'll need to choose the report you'd like to customize. To find it, go to Lifecycle, then click on Engagement, and finally select Pages and Screens. Now, to customize this report, click on the pencil icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open up the customization options for your report. In the sidebar on the left, you'll see a section called Metrics. Click on it to bring in a new metric to the report. Now, click on the Add Metric search bar and search for bounce rate. Once you find it, simply select it, and then click Apply to add the bounce rate to your report. And that's it. You have now added the bounce rate metric to your Google Analytics 4 report. This is a great way to track user engagement and see how people are interacting with your website. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Trusted Web e-Services for more actionable tutorials.